Hello there, and welcome to the LabHub. And today we're gonna talk about heat and temperature. And at first, I wanna make sure that you're ready for it, because we start thermodynamics, and thermodynamics is a really complicated topic to understand it. Um, at first, because like the whole world depends on thermodynamics. So no worries. We'll start with the easiest one. It's heat and temperature. So at first we need to know again. At first we need to know uh, measurements of temperature. In Europe, we got a Celsius. Yeah, every European knows that. In America, we got a Fahrenheit, and in cents we got a Kelvins. So this is Kelvins, and Kelvins usually used in aerospace, in astrophysics, in general applied physics. So you'll meet Kelvins in college. At college, I'm sorry. So therefore, we need to know. All right, we got a measurements, but what is heat itself? I need you to imagine that this is somebody, not somebody. I mean somebody. So this body has molecules, and each molecule has its temperature, has its heat. So heat inside a molecule, this is exactly this measurement. Yeah, right. But how it works in a molecular level? We can imagine heat as energy, and exactly as kinetic energy. So therefore, heat equals 0.5 mv squared. So then how do you think? How does the heat work? Sure, it moves molecules, right? So due to velocity, it moves molecules. So higher energy, higher velocity means higher heat. So in case of, for instance, 50 degrees in Celsius, molecules will move in, for example, with velocity of 50 meters per second. That's not real, this is just for example. But what if we had another body right here? And this body includes 100 degrees in Celsius. What will be the velocity? Sure, in other parameters stay stable, like the mass. So the velocity is gonna be 100 meters per second. So what do we combine these two areas with molecules? How does the temperature change if we combine them? In physics, we got one thing called temperature equilibrium, and it states if we add this object to this one with the different temperatures, they will keep an average temperature if, again, the mass is the same for both cases. So after adding this, I'll use this marker. So after combining these two cases, these two areas with some molecules, we got an area with a temperature of 75 degrees in Celsius. And it means the velocity will be 75 meters per second. It's called temperature equilibrium. And this is exactly how does the thermometer works. So if we got a thermometer, we put it in some body, and the temperature will be the given temperature by the body, and it increases up to the temperature of the body, usually 36.6 in Celsius if you're healthy. So this is all you need to know about heat and temperature on a middle school level.